In modern warfare, visibility is vulnerability. And when it comes to submarines, silence isn't just golden, it's survival. The United States Navy operates the most advanced fleet of submarines the world has ever seen. These aren't just underwater boats. They're stealth platforms, equipped to remain hidden in the deadliest game of hide and seek humanity has ever played. So, how do they do it? It all starts with sound. Underwater, there's no radar, no satellites, just sound. And in this domain, every creak, every vibration can betray your position. That's why US submarines are built around one principle: acoustic stealth. Inside their hulls, engineers mount systems on rubber to absorb vibrations. Rotating parts are isolated. Pumps are silenced. Even the toilets are designed to flush quietly. But it goes deeper. The hulls themselves are coated with anechoic tiles, a rubbery skin that absorbs enemy sonar pings instead of reflecting them. It's like cloaking technology, but for sound. And when they move, they glide. No cavitation, no bubble trails, just a whisper through the ocean. But stealth is nothing without stamina. US submarines are powered by nuclear reactors, allowing them to operate underwater for months at a time, without surfacing. They don't need to refuel for 30 years. Their only real limitation is how much food the crew can carry. This gives them the ability to vanish, disappearing beneath the waves, traveling silently through international waters, gathering intelligence, or waiting for a strike order that may never come. Take the Ohio-class ballistic missile submarine, the crown jewel of US naval stealth. Each one carries 24 Trident II nuclear missiles, each missile capable of carrying multiple warheads, each warhead powerful enough to level a city. And yet, the Ohio class doesn't roar. It doesn't announce itself. It drifts silently deep in the abyss, waiting. It's part of the United States nuclear triad, a crucial third leg alongside land-based ICBMs and strategic bombers. Why? Because it's the hardest to detect, and therefore the hardest to destroy. But machines alone don't make a sub undetectable. The US Navy trains its submarine crews in the art of staying hidden. Every mission is a psychological test, months under extreme pressure, in tight quarters, in absolute silence. The crews learn how to operate without giving off any detectable noise signature, even when eating, exercising, or sleeping. Sonar operators are trained to hear the difference between whale songs and propeller noise, between sea currents and a distant enemy. This uncertainty is by design. The US Navy doesn't need to tell you where its submarines are. It wants you to guess. That guess, that sliver of doubt, is what keeps adversaries from acting rashly. It's a strategic mind game, a psychological barrier, more effective than open confrontation. In fact, at any given moment, at least one Ohio-class sub is on patrol, location unknown. It could be off the coast of North Korea or beneath the Arctic ice. No one knows. That's the point. The future of submarine stealth lies at the intersection of technology and strategy. New submarines like the upcoming Columbia class will be even quieter, with electric drive systems, advanced sensors, and AI-assisted sonar avoidance. But the mission will remain the same: to stay hidden, to strike only if necessary, and to prevent war through the threat of unseen retaliation. This isn't just about power projection. It's about balance, a shadow that keeps global conflict in check. In the vast, cold darkness of the ocean, they drift, invisible, undetectable, unseen by satellites, untouched by radar. They are not just machines of war. They are strategic ghosts, whispering beneath the waves, preserving peace through perfect silence. Because in the world of submarines, the most dangerous vessel is the one you never hear coming.